state-level blind chess championship was held in Bengaluru on April 11th and 12th, with nearly 125 visually challenged players participating from across Karnataka. The two-day event was organized by iSahi Foundation in association with KSCAVC, marking the 135th birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar. Organizers stated that the championship held in Bengaluru for the first time aimed to provide a platform for visually impaired players at the grassroots level. The event was supported by Shivaji Nagar MLA Rizwan Arshad. Renowned chess player Baswaraj Shankar Umrani attended as chief guest, along with several other dignitaries who encouraged participants. In the results, Ramesh AR from Bengaluru secured first place in the open category, while Jyoti B from Bengaluru topped the women's category. In the junior category, Tippaswamy T from Shimoga emerged as the winner. The event highlighted growing participation and talent among visually challenged chess players in the state.